students, myself Vijay Pratap Singh. Today we are going to discuss about the NPO, not-for-profit organization. Dear students, not-for-profit organization is a very important part of our accounting. With the help of that, we are able to discuss what is the importance of NPO in our daily life. With the help of that, we can able to know NPO is a very important part of our accounting process. The 10 marks question is coming in the annual examination. Okay. With the help of that, one long question is coming up to 8 mark. If short is coming, then 3 mark, 4 mark. According to that, theories are also coming of this not-for-profit organization. It is a very important part. So dear students, in front of you, I had made one income and expenditure account of question number 28 of chapter not-for-profit organization means NPO. With the help of that, we can able to know about the NPO and what is the information is given in front of you. According to that, I have written expenditure means income and expenditure account. The expenditure I have written here on debit side, income I have written on the credit side. With the help of that, we can able to know how we can able to solve the questions of NPO. In NPO, income and expenditure account I had made in front of you. Here on income side, by subscription, it should be given the question is written 53,000, add outstanding 5,400, outstanding is given the question, and total is coming 58400. Next one, by entrance fee. Entrance fee is coming income side. Okay. By municipal grant, these types of things also is coming on the income side. Here 20,000. After that, by profit on sales of furniture. फर्नीचर को बेचने से हमें जो लाभ हुआ है मीन्स 11,400 माइनस 8,000 means 3,400. The value is came in front of you. Next one is given by interest on fixed deposit account. It is also given in the question 900. According to that, we had to go and make a total of 85,200. The balance is coming in front of you. Same according to that, we have to come on the second side on the expenditure. Now we have to know expenditure. We have to write to salary. Salary 6,000. Okay. Add outstanding 2015 and 16. Don't forget, dear students, outstanding of 2015 and 16, it should be less in the total amount. Then 900 is the less, and what we have got 5,100. Same as outstanding. So don't forget, outstanding 2016 and 17 1200. It should be added. इसको क्या किए हैं? Add किए हैं. Dear student, don't forget, when we are going to less, when we are going to add, this is the only important tick, important formula. With the help of that, you can able to do each and every question. So don't forget about these all things. After that, 2 newspaper. How much? 4,100 is given in front of you. 2 electricity bill 2,000. 2 rent 13,600. Now we have to make a balance, but here is 85,200 here very less amount is coming in front of you. So the balancing figure will be here. The excess of income over expenditure, 59,200 we have to write to balance that income and expenditure account. With the help of that we can able to solve the question. So dear students, in front of you this is the income and expenditure account of the question number 28. According to that you have to solve your questions, and it's a very important part. Dear students, in these types of questions we are making two balance sheet. One opening balance sheet, second actual balance sheet of this year 31 March 2017, and one balance sheet we have to prepare up to 2016. That one is called opening balance sheet. With the help of that balance sheet we can able to calculate opening balance, means capital fund. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, अब आपको ये ध्यान देना होगा कि हम दो बैलेंस शीट क्वेश्चन में कब बनाते हैं। अगर आपके क्वेश्चन में कैपिटल फंड दिया है, अगर आपके क्वेश्चन में पहले से ही कैपिटल फंड दे दिया है तो आप एक ही बैलेंस शीट बनाएंगे। अगर आपके क्वेश्चन में कैपिटल फंड नहीं दिया हुआ है then you have to prepare two balance sheet, one opening balance sheet, second main balance sheet. Okay, with the help of that you can able to solve your questions. So dear students, this is the introduction of income and expenditure account of 31st March 2017. Okay, now you all solve your questions. If any confusion you are getting regarding to income and expenditure, you have to see this pro forma of the question number 28 and solve and make your balance sheet, and wait for next video. Subscribe my channel, share these all things, save it, make a note. It should be a very important part for you. Okay, thank you all dear students to giving me your special time for watching this video. Okay, this is the solved question, because online classes when we are taking we are writing these all things without erasing. I had made one video to explain you. So okay, thank you all for giving you special time to watch this video. Thank you.